Here I have OPPO RENO 5Z, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or series of photos in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then when you adjust the normal photo mode, hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let's try it. So as you can see right now I took like 20 shots, and here I can review them all and select the one that fits me best. Just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.